Does 1 cup of this drink lose belly fat quickly without diet or exercise? Belly fat is something no one wants to have, but if you are having it, don't worry, I have great news. This homemade drink recipe will help you get a flat belly without exercise or diet. The recipe is very simple. Before going on to the recipe, we want to know your age and the country you are living in. Leave a comment below this video and we will provide the weight loss recipes using natural ingredients available in your country. Firstly, you need to prepare flaxes. Flaxes are the perfect seed to introduce into your flat stomach diet since they are rich in fiber. When you eat food that are high in fiber, you will feel full longer. This can help suppress your desire to eat if you are cutting calories to lose weight. Additionally, flaxes are full of monounsaturated fats, milk fats. The milk fats found in flaxes will help reduce fat in your body and lower your cholesterol levels, something that the saturated fats found in junk food cannot do. Now, put 1 tablespoon of flaxes into a saucepan. Then, add 1 cup of water. Put the saucepan on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and remove the saucepan from the stove. Pour the mixture in the saucepan into a strainer and strain the liquid. Next, we will mix the flaxes water with lemon. Lemon can boost your metabolism and help your body burn fat faster. The secret lies in the citric acid contained in lemons. When you take lemon juice, the citric acid interacts with the other acids and enzymes in your digestive tract, resulting in a healthy and problem-free digestion. Digestion is closely related to a healthy weight loss. Bad digestion can lead to weight gain, as you are not able to absorb and assimilate your nutrients properly. Moreover, it may not be able to eliminate waste from your body efficiently either. This can lead to slowing down the metabolic rate, making it more difficult to burn calories properly. In addition, lemon reduces the stress level and thus helps in weight loss. You may not know that stress can actually lead to weight gain. Studies have found that vitamin C in lemons suppresses the production of cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone that our body releases in response to stress. Constant presence of this hormone in the bloodstream can cause an array of negative health effects, including increased blood sugar level and weight gain. Now, take 1 lemon and cut it in half. Then, squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into flaxes water. Mix well and your weight loss drink is ready. This drink works well on an empty stomach, so drink it right in the morning. Do not drink this drink if you are suffering from low blood pressure, low blood sugar level, constipation, diarrhea, hormonal issues, and bleeding problems.